Hey y'all, it's Rennie Slaves. Welcome back to my channel. And as y'all can tell by the title of this video, it's a maintenance vlog. And as y'all can tell by my hair, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. So period. Gonna be looking like a baddie. Gonna be looking like that girl. You already know. Period. So yeah, this not anything super bad. So I'm about to like do this because nah, can't even. I already tried to fix the lightning twice, it's not working. So this is what we're gonna have to do. But yeah, so I'm about to blow out my hair for my hair appointment in the morning because it's currently like 12:21 and my appointment is at 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. And then I'm gonna do my nighttime routine because I just got out the shower. And then tomorrow I'm gonna vlog me getting my hair done. But if I don't feel like vlogging while I'm getting my hair done, I'm gonna like vlog my way going over there. And then like when I'm done with my hair, and then I'm getting my nails because it's long overdue. They are all grown out. These are my real nails, boo. So yeah, see, missing nail, not it. And I'm getting my toes done as well. I don't know what color I'm gonna get. I don't know. I'm kind of tired of the white. I need something, you know, kind of cute. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for my maintenance because I really feel like I don't need my eyebrows done because when I got my eyebrows done last time, she kind of did them like super thin. So I'm trying to get them to grow out a little bit. So yeah. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching the video. I'm not trying to make this intro like super long, so yeah, keep watching y'all. Period. Y'all, did y'all see how fast I did this side? Like, it literally took me like 3 minutes to do this side. Like, what? I should have been doing my hair because I could have been asleep by now, y'all. And I'm sorry y'all can't hear me, but in my bathroom, whenever I turn on the light, the fan automatically comes on. Y'all know, student college living. So yeah. And if y'all want like a room tour, I can do that, but I mean my room ain't nothing really special, so so yeah. But I'm about to do this side and I'm about to show y'all, and then I'm gonna, you know, the front. I might talk a little bit to the front, you never know. So yeah. Okay, this only took me 4 minutes to do. And like, it's still kind of like, I can still tell that it might poof up a little bit. So yeah. The only thing about this is like, y'all, this joint get hot. Like after a while, this joint get hot, and my hair holds heat, so it'll be burning my hand, and that joint hurts. Y'all probably seen it. I was like, ah, like that joint hurt, bro. Like, yeah. But y'all know inches. Is it moving? Is it moving? Is it moving? But yeah, inches. But now I'm gonna do the front. I'm done with my hair. Glad it didn't take that long. This paddle brush is the truth. I think this is by Revlon. Yeah, Revlon paddle brush, paddle hair brush dryer thing. Yeah, it's the truth, y'all. If you're natural, I 10 out of 10 recommend. Only con is it gets super hot, and it's like it's only cool or like heat. So like you got the cool setting, and then like you got the low heat setting, and like you got the high. Well, I mean it's both heat, but it's just like the low setting and the high setting. Like yeah, y'all get what I'm talking about. So I think the front might take the longest. It might. It's just because my hair is a little bit thicker up here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go from like this to here, and like to just make it shorter, I guess. So y'all can watch me do that. Okay, y'all, so I only have one more section to do. The front of my hair never like does right. Blow dry it, like it's still super poofy and I can't fix it. Like it don't matter how many times I pass through it, it just doesn't fix. So I'm just gonna keep it like that because I'm getting it done tomorrow. So let me do this last section because like y'all, my camera is literally dying and I still gotta do my face camera too. So yeah. Y'all, look at these cute glasses I have. My hair done poofed up because I'm not gonna lie, I got on TikTok and laid down. I'm trying to talk loud so y'all can hear me, but yeah, look at these glasses. I can't wait to wear these. Honestly, I might wear these during homecoming. Like, it's giving a look because I got this skirt to go with it, or like I might just buy something to go with these, or just wear these like regular because like these are cute, y'all. I feel like they fit my face. Period. But I'm gonna do my face care routine. Well, not my face care, just my nighttime routine, because I really don't do a face care routine. I just wash my face at night, like with no product, just water and moisturize it. So yeah, So it's currently 2 o'clock in the morning and I just got done with my skincare routine, as y'all can see. And I'm about to take these glasses off again. I kind of just put these on to get a little look. It's really giving 70s vibes, y'all. Like, this is so cute. But I'm about to put my hair in a ponytail, put my bonnet on, go to sleep, because my appointment is at 9 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. And I'm about to charge my camera and all that. And you know what? I see y'all in the morning. Good night. Okay, hey y'all. My hair is done. I didn't record that because I was running leads and I had to walk across the street, and I live near the back of my apartment complex, so yeah. But my hair is done. Very cute. Insert a boomerang on the next, somewhere out here. But yeah, period. Now I'm just trying to see where I'm gonna get food from. I don't know where, but yeah. Hey y'all, it's Sunday. I did my hair in another hairstyle, as y'all can see, cause I'm not gonna lie, trying to put these in ponytail, that jump was kind of hurting. So, you know, period. Looking like a baddie. I got my lashes on. And actually, this is my first time having lashes on in the daytime, like without like strips. Like, just because, well, not my first time, but I rarely do this. Cause nah, I don't know. I'm finna just see if I'm a lash girl in the daytime. Cause usually I just wear lashes to parties and stuff. But, you know, trying something new with my freshly new hair. But I'm about to go get my nails and toes done and go to Starbucks and get some food. But y'all gonna see that because I'm gonna take out with me. Period. Okay, y'all, so I came to the nail salon and they was like 30, like, first of all, I look, it's packed. And then they told me it's gonna be 30 minutes. Y'all, I really, like, I'm very impatient, and today I really don't have the patience for that, so it's a no for me. I'm gonna just go on Tuesday because nah, it's a no. So now I'm finna go get food. I think I'm gonna get Cracker Barrel, and then I'm gonna get a drink from Starbucks. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, cause nah, this is not it, no, not it. Alright y'all, so I just left Starbucks. I'm in the parking lot. It's currently raining. Yeah, it's raining right now, and I have a curbside order with Applebee's. I kind of feel bad, like, y'all, I feel super bad because I've been placed the order before it was raining and they have to come and give it to me. I feel super bad, but I did leave a tip. I always leave tips because, you know. But I just got a mango dragon fruit refresher with lemonade. I usually get like 3 pumps of raspberry with the venti. I get 3 pumps of raspberry, but I didn't this time because I didn't really want anything like too sweet. Because that, with 3 pumps of raspberry, it really tastes like candy. So yeah. Hold up, because this tastes like candy still. But like, not a super sweet candy, honestly. So yeah. So I'm about to go to Applebee's and then I'm going home and doing work because I didn't do my self-care stuff today because I was not waiting 30 minutes. No. So we're gonna do that Tuesday. Period. Hey y'all. Oh, not as blurry. Not the camera. Is it gonna focus, y'all? Is this focusing? Okay, I guess it's focused, but hey y'all, it's Tuesday. I told y'all I was gonna do my nails and toes Tuesday because Sunday it was supposed to be self-care Sunday, but y'all know it was too packed and I was not really waiting for that. But I was gonna record, sorry y'all, I was gonna record and nail salon, but I was getting my nails and toes in at the same time, so I really couldn't record, and there was nowhere to put my camera. So it was just like, okay, I'm gonna just do a little vloggy vlog once I leave. But I was just in Tropical Smoothie. I was gonna record in there too, but it was loud as freak. But I got my sunrise sunset smoothie and this sandwich, the turkey bacon ranch sandwich. I just put y'all on. Go eat it. Go to Tropical Cafe Smoothie and get that, cause y'all, that junk is the best. Like, y'all, the best ever. But here's my nails, and I can't really show my toes right now, but I'm gonna put it beside, like, somewhere on the screen, and y'all go see it. It is so hot, and yeah. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope y'all like my little maintenance vlog, because y'all can see my hair still look good. Skin is on point. That nighttime and morning time routine. I ain't see my morning time, but I see my nighttime. It's really the same thing. Got my nails and toes done. You know, a baddie, period. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social medias. And I'll see y'all in my next video.